Hey, Elliot here with The Growing Agent, and I wanted to shed some light on a common misconception amongst the real estate world, and that's the saying, listings are king. Now, I don't believe that to be true because, in my opinion, buyers are always better than listings. Yes, I know, I said it. Buyers are more important than listings. And here's why, because buyers will always need to sell their home at some point in time, while not all sellers will have to buy a house. Just think about retirement. Also, first-time homebuyers, they never have a house to sell, and as their family grows, they will generally need to upgrade their homes within a few years. And from that client pool, you'll have gained a listing along with a repeat buyer, all within the same transaction. So if you only concentrate on listings like some of the more experienced agents, you'll miss out on a bunch of listing opportunities as well. And lastly, to keep a long list short, sellers typically go back to the person that they've used in the past. So I always like to go after buyers, more specifically, first-time home buyers, as they typically find a real estate agent by word of mouth. If you're able to sign a buyer, you will get a lot of referrals as their friends are typically in the same mindset and timeline, which in turn will lead them to selling their house, all while buying a house, and the cycle just keeps repeating. So the point of this video and Buyer's Agent Pro is don't sleep on buyers. As I said, buyers are just as important, if not more important, than sellers. So get your notes app ready and I'll see you inside the course.